So in car settings, just hit that little back button, diagnostic check. Here we go. Maintenance. Service overdue 26,500 kilometres. Hey YouTubers, today we've got a little Citroen C4 Cactus. I've just done a all filter, air filter, fuel filter on it, and cabin filter. So we need to reset the service reminder. It's I think 26,500 kilometres overdue. So let's take you along, show you how I do that. Thank you. So I've got the scans tool, it's not set up yet, it's not turned on, and it's in the OBD socket, which I've got a short on where to find that. And so I'm going to be using this little Autel. It's a $900. Now I've not used this one to have a look at this car before, so I thought it might be a good idea to do that with you guys. So let's let it load up, and then once it's loaded up we shall resume and have a look round the functions it's got for this car and see about resetting the service indicator. As you can see, well, it says service there, we're definitely overdue. Let's have a look at right, so figured it out. So in car settings, just hit that little back button, and there you have vehicle settings and blah blah blah, driving assistance, lighting, not there then, diagnostic check. Here we go. Maintenance. Service overdue 26,500 kilometres. Right, so I think what I'll do first is we go straight into service, see if it'll do it for this Citroen. From there, and we do oil reset, and we look for Citroen. Oh, we could do an auto VIN, couldn't we? But sometimes on Citroen Peugeots it doesn't auto read, but let's give it a go on this. Now while I'm waiting for this to run through, I'll just give a shout out. Go over to Bodget and Leggett channel. I'll put links in the description. I'll also throw a link up on the top right somewhere. He's got two channels, one's for engineering, one's for cars. He's going through a bit of a hard time, he had a bit of a nasty accident, so please go over, subscribe and like his channel, leave some comments for him. He's a good guy, so it'd be great if you could help out. Okay, right, so quite a few of my machines do this for Citroens and Peugeots for some reason. So, but if you go into Citroen, so my launch does the same, my bigger Autel does the same. It's really odd, and the Sapon doesn't, which is pain. But you know, I'm not going to pay an extra £5,000. Read. I'm not going to pay an extra £5,000 just to stop myself press a couple of buttons, or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 grand. I haven't bought Sapon for quite some time now. Right, so it reads it once you're into the mark. So it's a C4 Cactus. Okay, we'll just okay that. While it's initialising, I'll have another little look on here just to confirm that, so that we can confirm that it's been done. Hot functions then. What we got in the hottie functions? Yes, okay. Alright. Reset maintenance indicator. Mandatory to reset service indicator with ignition on, engine off. Yes, that's confirmed. We have the mandatory to reset its mileage, the blah 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 without doubt. Yes, the zero reset can be performed manually. Yes, but I don't want to do it manually because I want to see how this bad boy gets on with it. Completed. Hello. Alright, I might have to cycle the ignition. Service due. Well, would you look at that? Well, that's a thumbs up for the Maxi Check 900. Pretty straightforward. And it also will give you instructions of how to do it manually. So I shall leave that for people. Let's see what it's going to tell me in a diagnostic. This will probably take a couple of minutes to run through. Oh, interesting. BSI. Come away from there. On a full diag. Right, so I'm sure it's complete user error. So what I've done is I've backed right out. I've cycled the key. And now we can go into diagnostics because I'm sure I was in the service menu, not the diagnostic menu. So let's go again. So Citroen. Yeah, that's more like it because we get this option, standalone. That's a problem when you get new toys. Should still be up there. No, it's not. So what we'll do is I thought we might have transferred from the service function menu. Okay, that one. Do I okay it? I'm trying to do this through the camera. Alright. Okay. Well, hopefully we should have more than just BSI. We hope. Diagnosis. There we go, auto scan. That's more like it. Right, when it's done its thing, I'll come back to you guys, because it'll probably take a little while. Right, don't want a quick race, we'll do a report. Make sure I'm hitting the right button. Odometer reading, what are we? 312244. 312244 kilometres. Okie dokie. So it's quite an in-depth report. Intermittent, event not recorded, not characterised. Inner left rear park assistance sensor, intermittent, event not recorded. Light and signal control, open circuit, intermittent. I have changed the brake light, so that could be that. These two CAN bus faults, but there's nothing on here we need to worry about. So what I should do is clear them down. So for escape, do a quick erase, and I'll code that. Now engine ECU, it says not scanned, and I believe we have to go in there and pick our ECU. So once this is done, let's do that. So if we go engine ECU, it has to, because there's multiple options of ECUs on these. That's that one. Let's try this one. No trouble codes. That's what we like to see. And that's what we could do. I mean, we could look at active tests. Okay. Test for engine stop, test for engine running. There are lots of options, but we're not going to be doing that. I'll just go back all the way out now. Exit. So yeah, get off and then pull it out. And just a tip, before I'll shut this up. Before connecting and disconnecting from the OBD socket, always turn the ignition off first. I hope you enjoyed that video. Just doing a quick service reset with Autel MaxiCheck's MX900 on this. I think it's a 2016 Citroen C4 Cactus. Pretty straightforward. Had a little look at the other options in that little diagnostics machine. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come out, and please leave your messages and comments in the box below. Thanks for watching.